Welcome back to Blooming Rose Academy English class. English grammar class 9, lecture 2nd. Last day we had talked about determiners, and I told you that what is determiner. Under the determiner, the first topic was articles, and now today we will see the definition of articles, its kinds and its applications. First of all, what are articles? Articles are a determiner. A determiner means a kind of determiner that determines the position of a noun in a sentence. Means that articles are a type of determiner that determines, that assures the position of a noun. A noun means any noun in a sentence, means any sentence. That is called articles. For example, he is a doctor. Since in the given sentence, doctor is a noun, so before this noun, article A has been given, because this article is determining the position of this noun. In second, she was a teacher. What was she? She was a teacher. Also before this noun, article should be used. Third one, there was an elephant. What? Elephant. Fourth one, the gold of your ring. Not all the gold, only that special and particular gold which is of your ring is pure. So we saw that articles an or the articles are generally used just before the noun, and now it's a kind of articles. Articles are of two types: indefinite and definite. Just we saw that in the definition of articles. Articles are a determiner that determines the position of a noun. A noun means any noun in a sentence. According to the position, articles has been categorized. A noun in a sentence may be definite, may be indefinite. How we know that a noun is definite or indefinite? If in the given sentence, the knowledge about that particular noun which is given in the sentence has been given already to you, then we call that this is definite noun. And if any noun that is just new for us and I don't know about that, that is called indefinite. Okay? And now we saw that articles are of two types. Definite use of indefinite articles, A and N. Indefinite article A is used before consonant sound, and indefinite article N is used before vowel sound. Students, pay your attention over here that we are talking about consonant and vowel sound. Consonant and vowel sound, not letter, because vowel letter as A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. These are vowel letters, but not sound. And we never see the letters. We always see the sound. And when we try to sound anything, then at that time we have to pronunciate that particular word. Consonant sound means that the sound that we pronounce according to our Hindi consonant and vowel sound. And for example, it indefinite and definite. For example, boy. The sound that we see from this noun, boy, consonant sound. So article A will be used because article A is always used just before consonant sound. Student, student, a student. Hour, start with A, hour. So indefinite article N will be used over here. Next one, X, X. X. Start with vowel sound and X. European. European. Yeah. A European. Elephant. Elephant. An elephant. Union. A union. Because union, a consonant sound. Umbrella. A vowel sound. Umbrella start with A. Umbrella. Vowel sound, so indefinite article N will be used. University. University. Y. U. A university. Box. A box. Book. A book. Because both box and book both start with consonant sound. So students, some questions are given in your book that are related to your use of definite and indefinite article. Now you watch this video and try to solve your question from your exercise, and if you have any problem with the question, then you can put your problem in your comment box. Thank you.